Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be creating some candles. I'm trying to launch these candles for my birthday. It's a new business idea that I had. I do already have one business. That's my bread and butter. Not really 9 to 5, but that's my day job. And I just find myself always creating new ideas in my head of what I could possibly be doing in my spare time. For these candles, I do like this size jar. I don't want anything too big, at least not right now. And I've been playing with candles for a few months now with different fragrances and different like company supplied fragrances, like different fragrances from different companies. And I found a few that I like, and they're gonna be perfect for spring and summer. This one right here is a strawberry scent. It smells so good. The first fragrance I want to release is a strawberry scent, and I'm making these candles with a wood wick, which just elevates it. Here is my 8-ounce candle with a gold lid. I feel like it's very vintage vibes, and I love vintage, everything vintage. Right now I'm working on the labels, so you guys are gonna see me work on those. So for the labels, I ordered these paper labels that are just white, like plain white paper. But I'm gonna be printing my labels onto here and then getting them cut with my Cricut, because I have a Cricut, which I should be using it way more often. Go ahead and get this started. I'm gonna bring my printer to the living room because it never works in my room. You just can't access the Wi-Fi all the way in there. It sucks. But I'm gonna bring it out here and we're gonna print these labels. Okay, I'm back. That took me a little while because when I was printing the labels, it was just coming out really blurry, and I was trying to fix that. It was blurry and small, like super tiny. So I was just fixing it. It took me like 3 times, but I got it to a size I like and to a quality that's okay. It's not like really high def, but it's gonna work. And I cut it with the Cricut. The paper got a little curled up because of the way I was taking it off. These are the stickers. I just wanted to go with something simple, white, black font for now. Later on I could always change the design and how they look. I'm gonna be adding the label onto this one right here. It smells so good. Very good. I wish you guys could smell it. It's delicious. And this is the final result. I love it. It looks plain, simple, elegant. I know I'm gonna get ideas down the line, even now, on just how I want the design to look, but for now it's looking cute. That was it for today's video. I just wanted to bring you guys along into this new business venture I'm going into, and I don't want to get an idea and then give up so fast. I want to actually go through with this. That's why I brought you guys along, and I'll see you guys with the next video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I'll be back next time. Bye.